at Safari Hypermarket na. Safari started the mega promotion, Safari 10, 20, 30. Let me introduce you some exclusive products which is available at Safari 10, 20, 30. Dettol soap, 170 grams into 4 pieces for only 10 Qatar rials. L'Oreal Elite Shampoo, 400 ml for only 10 Qatar rials. Sebamed Baby Lotion, 200 ml for only 20 Qatar rials. New Divi Perfume, 100 ml plus Dio, 200 ml for only 30 Qatar rials. Fine Baby Diaper, Jumbo Pack for only 30 Qatar rials. Not only this, we have more than 1,000 of products from all categories. So hurry! Visit your nearest Safari outlets.